Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at inserting a picture inside a shape in Microsoft Word and how to solve the problem if the picture gets sort of skewed out of shape, so it's squashed up for some reason. I've got a document here already with my title. I want to put in a thought bubble filled with an image here. So I'll go to the Insert panel and go to Shapes, and I'm going to choose my thought bubble, which is this one down here in the callouts collection. As I draw it, I'm holding down the Shift key to make sure that it goes in with the original proportion, so it's a nicely proportioned image. Just behind here I'm going to move my text down out of the way a little bit. I'll select on the shape and I'm going to right click it, and I'll choose here Format Shape to open up the Format Shape panel. Going to the fill here, I'm going to make sure that I select picture or texture fill. The texture fill is there by default, but I want to add a picture, so I'll go here to insert, and I'm going to load an image from my disk, so I'm just going to go and locate that. And this is the image I want to use. That is as easy as the process is. Now at the moment the shape has a sort of blue edge on it. It probably does need an edge for this particular shape, so I'm going back to Format Shape. I'm going back to the fill options and I'm going to select lines. I'm just going to close up the fill here, and here I can choose, for example, a different color to use. So I might use the color that I used in the text here, for example, and I could make the width a bit wider. Now in some instances you'll want to change your shape's dimensions. So for example, if I grab this and squeeze it up a bit because I want a sort of flatter shape, you can see that it has an unfortunate result on the image because the image itself is now squashed. So let's go back to the Format Shape options, and we're going to click up here on Picture, and I'm going to click here on Crop. Now these are the width and height of the image, and you can see it's quite wide, but the height has been squashed up. So what I'm going to do here is just increase the height. So that's going to stretch the image back inside the shape. I'll have to do a sort of guesstimate here, but I just want this to look like a normal person and not a squashed person. Now if I want to move the image down or up, I can use the offset Y. If I increase the offset Y, I'm going to push the image down inside the shape. If I use the offset Y in a negative direction, then I'm going to push it up in the shape. So you can position your image inside your shape using these options. Clicking away, and we've got our image inside our shape in Microsoft Word. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.